Yo, what's up? This is BITCHIES here, Skin Crow with another video react, and today I'm going to react about Sean, my boys, Sean and Kaycee dancing in the rain to beat shop Briggs. The way I do works, that's full performance. So yeah, let's fucking get this shit that I know is going to be lit, because Sean and Kaycee is the team of lit bucks.
I wear every single chain, even when I'm in the house, cause we started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here.
It's just like, I don't even know what the fuck I'm going to say about this. No. I'm for real. It's more than dance. It's a connection, man. Perfect connection. How long they need each other? Wow. I don't know why. No. Neil, fuck you. Don't say like, no,
First
that's
of all,
not like.
you're a savage, okay?
Yeah.
Here's the thing. I like that you added the water element. It shows that you're trying to push the envelope creatively. For me, it was a really strong routine.
Thank you. Yeah, well done. The part that I really liked was when you threw the lift in there, and like just how tight and strong the lift was. Like there was no wobble on that. I wasn't expecting that from you. That threw me. I thought this was one of you guys' best performances, and I feel like you should be really, really proud. Thank you. Yeah.
Well, I have never seen you guys, and I was blown away.
Thank you so much.
The two of you together, you complement each other so well. In the beginning, you guys, I don't know who's facing who, but you do this little ronde de jambe thing, and one of you has their back to the other. And then the footwork going up to the water, I was just like, ah! Like, I thought it was sexy. I thought it was grounded. I thought it was like a unit, and I loved it.
He's like sexy.
Big giggle.
Misty said I was sexy.
Bro, this is not like the kind of reaction. I'm not just doing this reaction just because I want views, I want likes, I want requests. No. I don't know. Just because since the first video I watched of them, they never let me down. Bro. They're unique, and call me whatever you want. Fake. Fuck you. I don't give a damn. This guy is. No, for real. They always let me like whoa. And right now I don't know what to say about it. I don't know. It's just. Fuck. Just. Alright, if you enjoyed this fucking reaction video, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, I don't give a shit. Request, links down below. Give a lot of love to them. Shit. Alright, that's all from your king, of course, that's me. OYASUMINASAI, bitches.